In this video, I'm going to show you how to restart your Android phone. I'll show you two methods. First method is simply restarting your phone. The second method is if your phone or screen has frozen or gone black. So the first method is easy. Just hold down your power button or your power button and volume down button at the same time. I have to hold down both of the buttons. Hold down both of the buttons. Choose restart and click restart again. So now I'm going to show you how to force restart your phone if you have a frozen screen or a black screen. So again, hold down your power button or power button and volume down button. And when this pops up, still keep holding the buttons. Okay, you can go ahead and release. That's pretty much it. You've restarted your phone, just wait for it to load up. But yeah, if you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing.